Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'm gonna be doing a mukbang. I have here two toasts with Nutella and some water. And before we get on with this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on your post notifications if you haven't, and give this video a like. And let's go on with this video. I have here, well, you guys already know, I'm gonna do a thumbnail. Okay guys, so now let's eat. Okay, comment down below if you like this lighting. No, the lights that's going on. But yeah, guys, so I'm gonna be talking about, as you know by the title, I'm gonna be talking about what happened on Christmas Day to me. So on Christmas, I'm gonna be talking about. So I'm going to be talking about, as you know by the title, what happened, why. First, I'm going to be talking about why I haven't vlogged. Second, I'm going to tell you what I did on Christmas Day and Christmas Eve. Okay, guys, so before, I don't want this to be like that. As you know, this year, sometimes I'd be like, why I haven't been posting and some things like that. Why I haven't been posting. And sometimes it's hard for me to do my homework and vlog for you guys. And I am a student and a B student. Not a B, A and B, and semi-C's. But I mostly get A's and B's. No D's, no F's. Because I'm a smart kid, and I'm not saying that, oh, I'm intelligent, I'm the best, smartest kid ever in this world. I am not saying that. I'm just saying that I am, like, on focus every single time and all that. But that's why I'm an A and B and semi-C student, because that's why I do vlog for you guys, because I know you guys want to see a lot of vlogs from me and what I do throughout my day. But sometimes, like, those days that I don't vlog, like, I'm certainly busy, or like I have a situation and all that, and you know, I'm sure that 2020 new videos are better coming out for you guys to see. And what I was gonna say, in school, right, like when I enter school right now, because I'm on break, when I enter school, I am going to work harder. Probably there's gonna be certain videos, and I'm gonna tell you when I'm gonna be posting, just because I'm gonna be like studying for my test, like my test, the grand finale test, and I want to pass it. And I'm gonna tell you right now when I'm gonna vlog. So I'm only gonna vlog Okay. I just decided for myself that I am going to post. Just forget what I said earlier. I am going to post every single day. Even if I'm studying, just depends. I'm not going to vlog that much. But that's okay for guys. But every minute is going to be something great. Or like I'm going to do challenges. On the weekends, I know I'm going to be doing challenges and vlogs. But yeah. And it's been hard for me to keep up with this YouTube channel, but I am gonna start posting consistently. And this is my first video for like kind of 2020. It's 2019, but tomorrow, no, the first is the first is on Wednesday. And what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, and also like I have been not going through a lot, but like I have been in situations where like I want to vlog, but I don't want to vlog, and I do like making videos for you guys and for YouTube. Not for YouTube. Oh my god. Never mind. I cannot be specific. I just like doing videos in general. And sometimes it's hard for me to be posting just because I like editing. That's what I was gonna say. Editing takes time, guys. And I love editing so much. But sometimes like I get distracted in something else, and that's why I don't do videos, you know? And that's basically why I've been posting, and I know you guys want to see more videos. Of me like I used to do beginning of my YouTube channel. But yes, I'm thankful, and I am, just because, and I don't any YouTuber, like I don't like getting my comments disabled, and I don't know what YouTube, just because. And by the way, YouTube thinks I'm a minor. I am not a minor, but like I don't know what the age for your disabled comments. First of all, I am no kid, and the disabled my comments are gonna be disabled. I don't know why they're disabled. I'm not showing I'm not showing no minors. Sometimes I show minors, and just because, you know, the world is crazy this year, this publicity population is crazy. Some people are crazy, some are not. I'm not saying none, but like, you trust me, like anybody in this world can tell you guys, some people are like crazy. And this is not to offend nobody, it's true. And if you take it offended, I'm sorry, it's the truth. So yeah, in my perspective, I'm sorry to you guys. And I know my family, I know my, like, any relative, like my family, like, it's not crazy, but like, you know, some people are bad, and not bad, but like bad influence, and some are not. It's just hard. Okay, now I'm just gonna get rid of that topic and throw it in the trash. I'm just joking, guys. But like I was saying, I am gonna make videos Just stay tuned for 2020. But yeah, guys. So I'm gonna tell you what I did on Christmas Eve. I did not post Vlogmas Day 24 or 25 just because I was with my family and I want to spend time. And I didn't want to, well, we're just gonna get on that. Okay, the reason why I did not vlog for Vlogmas Day 24 is because I did vlog, but like I was editing, and then when I tried to upload it, it did not let me. It just canceled automatically. And I don't know why. I don't know why. I think there is no Wi-Fi. I don't know what was the problem with the Wi-Fi. It didn't work. So I was sad. I was not sad, but like I was kind of like disappointed just because I did not get my video for you guys. So what I did is went to Georgia. We went on vacation, but it's not really a vacation because we have been there. And we were with my family. So I don't know if I have a picture. I think I do, but I will insert it here. If you don't follow me on my Instagram, make sure to follow me on my Instagram. Dan_vlogs12 will be on the screen and link in the description all the time. But I think I did not put that on my Instagram. Sorry guys. I did not put that on my Instagram. I have the same, I did like a same outfit on my Instagram. This is like my Instagram, like that's kind of like the outfit, but I had a sweater, jean jacket, not a jean jacket, but like a light wash jean jacket, and I had fun. So I was taking a shower, and then I was getting ready, and then we're waiting. We waited like 2 hours just because, and we had dinner at 12 p.m. and I think, I'm not sure, we went on the trampoline. After when we ate, if you don't know this, pork is chicharrón. If you don't know, if you are Hispanic or Latin, you know what that is. Chicharrón. It's like this pork rinds. Yeah, that's what it's called, pork rinds. I'm gonna start a picture right here. And I had salad, and I had, what was it else? I had carnitas. It's like type of chicken, and it's good. And then I had some crispy tortilla chips. It's called tostada. And yeah. And also, I forgot to say, at church they give us a little box for the kids, and then no, for the boxes were the adults, and the kids got like bigger presents, kids. And what I received was candy and a gift card from Walmart. And I think that's it, and I'm grateful for that. Thank you. If you go to my church and you watch my videos, thank you. Just thank you. I'm just gonna say that if you go to my church. And let's just continue. So we went to the trampoline, right? We were having fun and all that. We were like laughing. And then we got tired. We laid down. My cousin and me were seeing the stars. And then we got scared because they have cameras and it sounded and we thought something else. And then we run inside the house quickly. Quickly. And that's it. And then we put on our pajamas. We took a shower and put our pajamas on. And I think we kind of like overslept. Not overslept, but like stayed up all night. We went to sleep at 3 a.m. We were watching High School Musical, The Grinch, and what else? I don't know. 4 hours straight up. And I think because my cousins wanted to wake me up, I was still asleep. And they did not wake me up. So then on the 25th, we woke up. And I brushed my teeth, normal things. And then I go to see, oh, that's my present. I get my present. I got this shirt. Got this shirt. What else? I'll be right back.